Hello! So today I'd like to show you how to customize your Windows 10 background with either a slideshow of pictures or just one single picture. Alright, so let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and download a picture that you like or a couple of pictures that you like. You can do this by searching in Google Images. These are just a couple of pictures that I'd like to be my desktop background. So what you're going to do is download those. Usually I'll select it and hit Save Image As. Alright, so then what you want to go ahead and do is once you've downloaded your pictures, you're going to go ahead and right click on your home screen and select Personalize. Now once you do that, this little tab should come up. You're going to want to select background if it's not already selected. And we're going to start with a single picture. So you're going to select this tab right here. Right now I have it on solid color. That's pretty too, but if you want a customized picture, you're just going to select picture. Alright, so because this will be your first time, you're going to want to select Browse and go find that file that you downloaded. I already have a couple downloaded here, and I like this one, so let's select that one. Alright, so now let's move on to Slideshow. What you're going to do is select that picture tab that you just grabbed and go ahead and hit Slideshow. Now, you're going to have to save your pictures into a single file, like this. And you're going to have to find that file in your folder. And once you do that, it should be on your desktop. And you can go ahead and hit Next Desktop Background, and it should automatically change. Now what you can do with that is you can put it on a timer. I like mine to change often, so I put it on 1 minute or so, and I like it on shuffle, so it's pretty random. Another thing that you can do is you can change the color of your start bar to match some of your pictures. I really like the color red, so I put mine on red. You can also change the transparency. Alright, so I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below and I'll be sure to answer those. Thank you.